Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Cafe by Manjeet Kaur. In this video, we study about motion. We have velocity time graph. In this graph, the velocity of the object changes with respect to time. In this, time variable is taken along x-axis because time is the independent variable, and velocity variable is taken along y-axis because velocity is the dependent variable. In the velocity time graph, we study about three cases. First is velocity time graph at rest. Second, velocity time graph at uniform motion. Third is velocity time graph at accelerated motion. So, we first study about velocity time graph at rest. In this, the velocity of the object remains constant because the object is placed at rest, so the motion is stopped. So, as the time increases but the velocity of the object remains constant throughout the interval. Here we have graph. Time is along x-axis and velocity is along y-axis. Here that is the origin. We have table, the value of time is given and velocity is. At time 0, we get the velocity is 0 meter per second. After time 10 seconds, we again get the velocity's value is 0 meter per second. After time 20 seconds, we get the velocity of the object is 0 meter per second. After time 30 seconds, we get the velocity's value is again 0 second, and so on. So it is clearly seen as the time increases, the velocity of the object remains constant because the body stays at rest. Its position is not changed with respect to time. So the velocity time graph is coincide with the x-axis. Now we have velocity time graph at uniform motion. In uniform motion, the objects cover equal distance in equal intervals of time, so the velocity of the object remains constant throughout the time interval. We have graph. Time is along x-axis and velocity is along y-axis, and that is the origin. We have the value of time and velocity. When time is 0, we get the value is of velocity is 5 meter per second. When time is 10 seconds, we get the value of velocity is 5 meter per second. After time 20 seconds, value of velocity is 5 meter per second. At time 30 seconds, the value of velocity is 5 meter per second. So it is clearly seen as the time increases, the velocity of the object remains constant throughout the interval because the motion is in uniform motion. So the object moving with uniform velocity in a straight line, and horizontal line is parallel to x-axis. Now we have velocity time graph with accelerated motion. The acceleration of the body remains constant throughout the interval because the velocity of the object increasing with respect to time. Now we have graph. Time is along x-axis, velocity is along y-axis. That is the reason the value of time and velocity is given. When time is 0, the velocity is 0 meter per second. When time is 10 seconds, the velocity is 20 meter per second. That is the point. When time is 20 seconds, the velocity's value is 40 meter per second. That point. When time is 30 seconds, velocity's value is 60 meter per second. When time is 40 seconds, velocity's value is 80 meter per second. So it is clearly seen as the time increases, the velocity of the object also increases. So we get constant acceleration throughout the interval. So the velocity of the object changes with respect to time, and the acceleration is constant throughout the interval. So we get slanted line. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe.